Now, I have a very special guest that's with us today. At the end of the show, I'm going to feed her my Thanksgiving dinner. We invited her back to the show because of the reaction we got from her being at the show the last time she was here. Watch this. Hi there, what's your name?
Debbie, probably one of the biggest
Debbie!
fans ever.
You're so
of Rachael
enthusiastic.
I just want to say I love you. I do your recipes all the time. My husband's gained a little weight, but you know what? It's all good. And the other thing is, I did your 1 hour Thanksgiving dinner.
Oh, wow.
And
Isn't
I'm
that
telling you,
amazing?
it turned out perfectly.
That's
I couldn't have been
amazing,
more
isn't it?
happier. The apple muffin stuff,
Isn't it good?
Delish. See this girl? My niece from Maryland. I'm from Chicago, Maryland. She does your doggy food. So we are
thank
big
you.
fans of you, and we love you,
Thank
Rachel.
you. So, of course, who am I going to feed but Debbie from Chicago? Debbie's from Chicago. We flew her back today because she is such an enthusiastic and avid fan of our television show here. Debbie actually made a 60-minute Thanksgiving of ours before.
I did. Yes, I did.
So we decided to feed you this year's 60-minute Thanksgiving.
That is
What's
so
the verdict?
Oh my gosh, this turkey breast is way better than mine.
It can be yours. It can be yours. But seriously, these are so simple. Those boursin mashed potatoes.
I haven't tried them yet, but
They're
I'm getting
amazing.
ready to.
I'll talk for Debbie. So she was just telling me her daughter's birthday is November 13th, correct? Don't talk with your mouth full. You
I will not.
So she said, where do you want to go for dinner? Her daughter is my kind of gal. She said, I don't want to go out to dinner. Just make something of Rachel's. Oh,
She's going to open up the book and pick the recipes. So.
that's awesome.
And I will do it.
Yay!
Because her recipes are so easy to do and they turn out. That's why I love it.
Thank you, baby.
Uh-huh.
So what are you doing for Thanksgiving? Are you going to make another one of these
I
little
think
things?
I might, yeah.
It's pretty
Especially
good,
this.
right?
That is delicious.
Don't
yes.
you love? She loves the greens. The simplest thing on the plate.
Very, very
Isn't that
good.
weird?
It is so good.
So what did you think of the mashed potatoes? with
Mashed
the boursin?
potatoes are delish. I could eat this whole plate because I haven't eaten really today.
You didn't eat all day. Well, that smart woman, she knew where she was going. Cheers. I know, right? Somebody get my wine, will ya?
We gotta have a toast over here. Come on.
We must have more than one glass. I don't know. Maybe they're listening, maybe they're not. What are you making for Thanksgiving this year that's unusual? Do you guys do anything like, are you lasagna people or mac and cheese people? Do you do anything outside of stuffing?
Actually, I do want to do your lasagna that you just did.
Oh, the one with the Swiss chard.
Yes, and you know what?
so
How do you do it without boiling the noodle? I just...
You buy the box that says no boil lasagna.
Okay, then. I saw that and I said, oh, I hope I can do that. You know what, and where I live, it's very hard to get a lot of things.
Do
but
you know what?
I work it, you know?
Your friend will send you my favorite lasagna sheets. They're very simple. The same ones we used on the show.
I love it.
Ask the kitchen if we still have some in the back, will you, Goldie? Because I think we might, just from that Swiss chard. It's Swiss chard lasagna. It's insane. It's delicious.
It looked awesome.
It really is. And it's another really quick one. It's as easy as these greens, honestly. All you gotta do is make the bechamel and make the greens. I'm talking too much because I did want to tell you a couple of fun things. So we brought her here today, but she's also one of our 13 lucky viewers. This is our 13th season. And I'm a very superstitious girl, so I'm trying to turn the luck around. And so we're calling it the lucky number 13. So, my daughter's birthday's at 13. And your daughter's birthday's the 13th. That's awesome. So, I wanted you to go out to pre-theater dinner at Quality Italian, which is super cool. You'll love it. And they have a chicken parm that's like this big. It's literally this big. It could feed a small village. It's amazing. Delicious steaks, beautiful environment. And you can't go to pre-theater without going to the theater, so watch this.
Hey, Debbie, Drew Gehling, Nicolette Robinson, and Ben Thompson here from Waitress the Musical. Now, a little birdie told us that you had never seen a Broadway show.
Yeah, and we need to change that. So we have 2 tickets for you. One for you and one for your husband to come see us.
Tomorrow night at the Brooks at Waitress on Broadway. Can't wait to see you. Come on out.
See you later.
Because I used to be a waitress, and many of the cast members from Waitress have been to our show, it's quite apropos to give you that show. I am also going to make sure you get the lasagna and all of my favorites of my pots and pans.
Oh my God!
I'm going to stock up the kitchen.
Rachel, I love you.